The following matchup is for the TWO Tag Team titles. The challengers in this matchup, representing the Anarchist Empire, Igniter and Kevin Stone. Skinso, as we know, have a little health issues. I believe he's got to sit back on this one. I believe that's how that's going. Their opponents in this matchup, representing the Megamaniac team, here's your tag team champions, Brian Aldridge, the Pitbull Christina, and they are collectively known as Practically Sound! They are technically sound because they are just that, technically sound together working out. This is what we've been on the last dance for tonight. Power slamming our way right into the second half of the pod. Are you guys ready for the rest of the show? The Empire hanging out with Holly D over there. K-Dog walking around, dragging the people's hand, barely getting back to the face. You can tell who made their song. This is going to be intense right here. As you may have noticed, this K-9 did come out with a brand new t-shirt. You can buy those t-shirts on TWOaction.com. Igniter's got one. Oh, here we go.
Not only that, fighting Kevin Stone, he's the ex-world champion, and versus DJ Griffin tonight, Kevin Stone, 2 rounds, right there.
That's right, we do have Kevin Stone pins over. Yeah, please shut up. I know. This is what happens when you get a guy a radio show.
I'm trying to do a commentary in this match. I am the lead voice of the DW1. Watch my show, and Kevin Stone with that never sees the tag team championship.
This is a great idea. I'll take my microphone. I'll turn my volume up. Let me turn yours down. I'm kidding.
I make you feel.
I'm kidding. So you're actually not going to fill in for Skinso. Skinso is feeling good enough to compete in this match, I guess.
That's right. We got the 3 third rules. The 3-man tag team.
This is insanity. You guys.
How is that fair?
Actually in the ring code. That's right.
Kevin Stone heads up early on.
It just stopped there. Leg drops on the leg section.
Oh yeah, leg drop spinning. Here we go, another one. Just for good measure, right across the sternum.
Holly D says one more, will Stone do it? No, not in the mood. He's got to work on his arm instead.
Ooh, a key lock submission hold.
Holly D, one of the biggest mouths of the history other than you. And she fits right in with you guys.
Yeah, she does. She certainly has the big mouth and the color scheme, so it's a jury by Kevin Stone. We're going to the musicians of the Empire. And
where did you keep her out of though? I mean, she hasn't been since 2003.
Well, you know I am a student of the game, a historian of the game. Anything to throw your company off, my friend. It's the Anarchist Empire. 2011 is going to be the year of the Empire.
Well,
we're going to lead the new revolution in professional wrestling. You heard it here first. Nice man, Joey does the Igniter.
She did shake things up last time out. She knows how to get her hands into the biz and really shake up the competition. And I guess
I see her with her hands all over the champion, DJ Dixon, early on.
Wait a minute, what? She was No, you're just starting rumors.
You can have competition. That's what we do.
You're starting rumors.
Right, Aldridge. Some shots to the back of the schizo.
I'm in competition later in a ladder match.
Yeah, and you don't have an opponent.
I don't have an opponent.
You're gonna be like Shawn Michaels. You're gonna wrestle a ladder.
Hold on. I just got word from the back actually. I do have an opponent apparently. I've just been challenged, I guess, from Izzy Star. Big snapback maneuver, Izzy Star. I guess Izzy Star wants to take me on in a ladder match, which is fine.
Better than that 6'3" leg.
They got their own in a ladder match.
Kibbles a bit to be wrestled that.
Kibbles a bit.
Chin lock applied by Aldridge.
How's the meow mix?
Now I don't know what Aldridge is doing. He had the leverage advantage. He should have kept up the advantage. Up fireman's takeover. Little slip on the transition there.
And he keeps talking. I'm meowing and he keeps talking. He doesn't. You can't shut him up.
I respect cats.
You can't shut him up. It's true.
No, now.
Okay. No more meowing. Back to the action. K9 in the ring. And she's gonna work him down real quick. Trying to keep stalled off the street. Goes up a quick to the back. Not quite as big as she usually pulls off. But it's still reared down on your back. That is a hard foot. Felt it myself, I know.
It is a hard foot. And some stiff jabs on the K9.
Yeah, a little bit of an elbow.
Right to the collarbone. Trying to take out my boys.
The entire behind Curtis is out, and now she's denying Kevin Stone's punches. Cuts the line! Oh, and on the return, gives him a win in the background.
Do I need to book someone in this match? Don't you know he has a world title match coming up?
Kevin Stone has to wrestle for the world title later?
I don't want to book it. What are you talking about?
Poor guy. You know what? I've wrestled 8 matches back in my heyday in one night, including the world title match.
Who did you wrestle? Ultimate Warrior?
Oh. You know what? We're not going there. Back to the action.
Eric is up by a little brainstorming on the outside. Aldridge trying to get a cheap shot. You see that? Trying to get a cheap shot on there. Come on, ref. Pay attention. Do your job, ref.
Keep it going.
Kevin Stone, the legal man, going in to join the wild card, Brian Aldridge.
There's a bit of wild card in this company, coming out on top when you didn't think he could do it.
Facebuster by Kevin Stone.
Both teams, both members of both teams have both.
Oh, here we go!
Multiple winners.
Stone, right there!
There you go.
How about that?
Stone and Skipper held the hardcore tag. They've held the regular tag.
4 times tag team champions in total. 4 times.
K9 held the hardcore title. She's held the U.S. title. She's now a tag champion. Skipper, he held cruiserweight. He's been part of the tag.
He's a former RI state as well.
He's former Rhode Island State. He's held his fair share of titles. Aldridge, 1-time world champion during that matchup. Well, 2-time actually picked up the title. He didn't get to hold it for more than that night, but he did take the world for a little bit. He has also held his fair share. He's held cruiserweight title and a few other titles as well.
Oh, it's not going to matter because he's going to be losing these titles to the Empire. Big time double team maneuver.
A lot of gold has been held by these people in this ring. 1, 2, and going into the
touch, my friends. That's why we are leading the new revolution in professional wrestling. It's scary.
I've got some stuff I got to take care of backstage. I'm going to put somebody else on the microphone to talk with you.
I don't need it. I can handle it myself, brother. Jason Cross coming? Cross in? Covered by Schizo. Kick out that 2 by Aldridge. Rollover. Inside cradle. Counters out of it. Fireman's carry. Takes him down. Aldridge certainly has improved. You wrestle Aldridge in one of his first matches ever in this company. And certainly has shown a great deal of improvement. Definitely. Schizo now, carrying Brian around like a sack of potatoes, drops him down with a spine buster. Schizo tags in the future world champion Kevin Stone.
I don't think so.
I wouldn't bet against him, my friend. DJ No Show. Think he's gonna have his hands full. Your former tag team partner. Oh, you're back together? An OMC reunion? I can never talk to you guys. Big belly flip there.
Dysfunctional family, you know.
You better not much dysfunctional. Oh, come on, man, that was 3!
No, it was 2.
It was 3, come on.
It was 2.
You suck!
Yeah, son does suck.
If this man sucks, why don't you have his own pig? Come on, man.
I
It's future time.
I'm not from Jersey.
No, me neither. I know a few people in this audience from Jersey. I like that kid. You don't know greatness when it hits them in the face. Here we go, set up for a pile drive. Tiger bomb. Oh, you're just taking words to that, you know. Oh, Jesus. Here we go. Top rope maneuver, bust me a swan time. Hey, Reed, that's how you do a swan time. Use the half cover.
It's a button stove button.
It should be his action, yeah. We support our boys in the Anarchist Assembly. That's why we dug up Medusa and brought her in. Yeah, Pirate's just taking over.
That's wrong.
Oh, we got 2 or 3 seconds for the inside. Rest in peace, those who flew the shot. Leg drop, baseball slide, leg drop. And Tintin, and the Tintin. Quoting Joe Boy on that one. Speaking of Joe Boy, our referee kind of looks like Joe Boy a little bit. Big time maneuver by Aldridge. She's the half cover. Here comes Chris Canine. Throws her out of the ring. As he climbs out. There goes Aldridge. And then the Anarchist is by a Conley. 1-time tag team champion. Hey, you got to cheat the ring sometimes, right? That's right.
You know they were even around with all the grass, right?
Is that true? I'm not sure if that's true, Shaver.
They were never there with any time.
Well, that's a dream matchup, folks. Order of Chaos, Anarchist Empire. I know the kid. Don't get it yourself, right? What just happened?
I don't know where
He's called the picture. What? Come on!
still tag team champion.
Ignite going to the your winners due to disqualification, technical sound. Although it doesn't look too good for out there. Let's see if we can get those champions, please. Let's see if we can get those title belts back to the champions, please. Give the belts back to the champions. Oh, okay, then I don't know what you went. Let's see if we can get this place cleared out.
I got something to say.
If I remember correctly, I beat
So say it.
Annette Jordan.
Hold on.
And I'm sure I can.
Shut your goddamn mouth. I have something to say.
You're from Brooklyn, you. And I quote.
Yes, I am. As a matter of fact. I see you came out with that has-been Harley D. I mean, couldn't you guys pick a better manager than a 100-year-old woman?
We wanted to bring out Medusa.
I mean, come on. Where is she now?
Take it all sideways, man.
Contract will be mailed to you.
Contracts will get mailed. It's going to be delivered by the police department.
I'll have it personally delivered to you by one of my officers. All right, I'll see you May 20th.
Without any further ado,